What is up, YouTube? John Cristani here, going to show you how to build an email list for marketing without a website. No website needed for this in under 10 minutes. And I'll be going over a few things with you today, showing you free email marketing program that you can use. I'll also be showing you how you can create a sign-up form that's hosted on its own landing page, even if you don't have a website. There's no need to register a website to make this happen. I'll also be showing you how to create your email marketing campaign, and I'll be giving you a free bonus at the end to help you get started making money with email marketing. So stay tuned, keep watching, let's get into it. Once again, this is going to be a pretty hot video because we're going to be going over how to build an email list without even having a website. So this is pretty exciting. And also, we're going to do it in under 10 minutes. Can you start the timer?
Yeah, man.
Okay, cool. So we got the timer started. First, go into the free email marketing program. And the free email marketing program we will be using, let's go over to my computer, is called MailChimp. Now, MailChimp is free to sign up for, free to use, and as you can see right here, MailChimp, all-in-one marketing platform. You just click on that in Google. I couldn't find an affiliate program for them, otherwise I would have put an affiliate link below, but there might be a link in the description. And what you do is you just click this button in the top right corner, like all programs, sign up for free, right up there to get started. Now, keep in mind, there's a lot of additional resources that they have available for you to learn email marketing, and I'm going to be going over the basics, so you can always go deeper in their resource file. Now, the first thing you do once you get signed into MailChimp is you need to create an audience. For basically, an audience is kind of like a list or a segment, whatever you want to call it, but you'll go up here to the top left corner and you'll click Create. Now, once you're logged into MailChimp, the first thing you'll do is you'll need to create an audience, which is also known as an email list. So in order to create an email list or an audience, we'll scroll down in the main area. You just click this button and it'll say audience. And right down here, it says create a list. So we're going to want to click that button right there to start creating our email list. So we'll click create a list. And in here, we'll want to say what our audience name is. So let's just say, I don't know, keto diet. I recently have been on the keto diet, you know, eating lots of nuts, vegetables, and meat, no carbs. Lost 15 pounds in the last 2 months. 15 pounds in 2 months, so pretty cool. I was getting a little big there for a while. I saw some of you commenters making fun of it. So you'll set up your audience name here, and then you'll do your default from address. So let's just say I'm John Robert Cristani at gmail.com. Everybody send me emails. I love getting personal emails from all you. And if you need money, anybody who sends me an email asking for money, I give money to. Okay. So default from name, we'll just say John Cristani. And you set up your information right down here. Okay. And then you just click save. So we have an audience now. We have an audience named Keto Diet. Now, the next step that we actually take is we're going to actually need to create a landing page. So what you need to do up here is we're going to go up and click create. And then we will go down here to where it says landing page. And this is going to be a page that allows you to collect emails on it to go into your list. So let's just call our landing page name Keto LP. LP stands for landing page. And then we click begin right here. Now here we've arrived at a spot where we can select a number of different styles. It depends on, I don't know, what do you think looks best? Let's just say this wild country looks like the best fit. So we might say get fit and lose weight. And we will change this. So we click that, and then the button text will say get free information sent to your email now. Free information sent to your email now. Learn how I lost 15 pounds in 2 months on the keto diet. Maybe I want to make the font Georgia, and maybe I want to make it a little bit bigger so that it shows up bigger. You can do a lot of things with this. Maybe you want to make it bold or italicized or underlined. Whatever you want to do, you can do. And even if you wanted to change the picture, you could change the image to something else. We're not going to do all of that right now, but the point being, you can have a lot of fun with these templates and customize them how you want. What you do once you're done is you can click Save and Close right in the lower corner. So to finish it setting up, you need to add a page title and you need to create a URL for your page. So we're just going to add a page title, Lose Weight on the Keto Diet. And then we will add URL. We'll click this final step right there. So we'll just say use MailChimp domain and we will say Keto Diet. Then we will click Save. So make sure, once again, you want to click use MailChimp domain. This way you can do this without having your own website and you can collect emails which you can market to. Voila, here we go. So here's our page and here's our link, and you really want to save this link because this is pretty important right here. This link will go to your page. So you have a free web page right now. You have a free web page that people can sign up for and opt in on. Okay, so now we finished all of the things. All we need to do now is actually click Publish. So I'm going to save this URL and I'm going to click Publish and high five. It says our landing page is on the web. So let's check it out. And here we go. Look, our web page is already live. We can enter in, let's just say, I'm going to say henryroyal@gmail.com. We could say subscribe. Success, you've been added to the audience. And if we go in our campaign builder here, we can actually go under the dashboard and we can see, well, it might take a second to update, but basically it will show us that we just added a subscriber. And we have a web page, we have an email list we can mail to, we have everything we need to actually start marketing. Now, how do you actually start marketing to people though? So last step is you'll want to go under Create right here, and you would do design and send regular or automated emails to your subscribers. And from there, you go through the step-by-step process of being able to create that. Woo! So that should have been under 10 minutes. That may have even been under 5, but in that, you just learned how to build an email list, set it up without a website in under 10 minutes, and it's for marketing, meaning the people are opting in. It's going to be GDPR compliant. You can market to these people. The difference with marketing is they opt in. If they don't opt in to be an email list, you're technically violating spam laws when you send an email to them. So we're using MailChimp. There's a lot of other email service providers. I personally recommend SendGrid. SendGrid is, first of all, it's run by a freaking animal. Like just genius. Isaac, he's amazing. And if you haven't seen interviews of Isaac Salgado, went to UC Riverside, not too far from where I live in Malibu. Well, it's in Southern California. He's an amazing entrepreneur. He's got amazing vision, and he's built an amazing company which does email better than any other company on the internet. But MailChimp's great to start. You build a sign-up form. You build a landing page, a sign-up form and a landing page, a website without having to register your own website. And you created an email campaign. I'm going to give you a bonus. I said I was going to give you a bonus. And the bonus is I want to work with you. I actually want to work with you. I want to make money together. I want to be partners. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to encourage you to build email lists, helping people learn ways they can earn money from home. Because this is a big problem. There are a lot of people still going to jobs, a lot of people doing long commutes to work every day and frustrated and don't like it. There's a lot of parents still telling their kids to be nurses, doctors, lawyers, accountants, and a lot of kids that go into those professions and learn that they hate it. I want to show people how they can make money from home, and I want you to help me. And you're going to get 90% of the commissions, and I'm going to get 10%. I still end up making out all right. My JV page and information on how to be an affiliate working with me. My editors will post a video, top right corner of this video, and also there will be information on how to sign up as an affiliate with me through ClickBank, Digistore, and other networks in the links in the description. I'd love to work with you, and I'd love for us to make money together. And The bonus is going to be on my JV page, which is my affiliate page. I'm giving away a dozen free emails. A dozen emails which you can actually use to send to people that work, that help them, that motivate them to take action and join my training program. And you earn money, I earn money, everybody earns money together. So I'd like to work with you, and I hope you like working with me. And I commit to providing you training every single day, for at the very least the rest of this year, to help you learn how to make money with the internet. So make sure you murder that subscribe button. Just hit it really hard. And also hit that notification bell and make sure you enable all notifications. Like this video. If you have questions, ask them below. I'm not going to answer them, but I encourage people who have been following me for a while, subscribers, to answer other people's questions. Or if you aren't a subscriber, help answer other people's questions. We're building a community here. We have 4 different communities which you can be a part of, learning how to make money online. Again, we're all working together. I want to create an ecosystem where we all make money and all learn from each other. We have a Reddit. If you love Reddit, if Reddit's your favorite, go Reddit. We have a Discord chat channel. We have a forum. And we have a Facebook group. Whichever community group you like the most, say go Discord or go forum or go Facebook group. Or the point being, I'm trying to create a community here. I want us to work together. I want you selling my product. I want to be paying you money, but I need you to do the work, and you need to set this stuff up, and you need to check out my free traffic methods playlist, which I'll have my editors link to above as well, and go through the videos. I show you how to get people to that page. Because I showed you how to build an email list, but I didn't show how to get people to it. And those are in my free traffic methods videos. So you want to watch those videos to learn how to get people to go to that link, to learn how to get people to sign up. And once they sign up, you have 12 free emails in which you can send them to help encourage them to take that scary step. It's scary because we've been told our entire lives that we have to commute to work, that we have to work out. You know, in America, it's a good job. In India, it's to become an engineer. In the Philippines, it's to become a nurse. In Germany, it's to go into finance. Every culture. In Iran, it's to become a lawyer or a doctor. Every culture has their thing that they want their kids to be. But many of these professions are boring, nepotistic, dying, and they make you hate your life. Don't do that. It doesn't make sense. I make millions of dollars every year just teaching and doing marketing for other companies. And you can too. So help me help you. Take action today, subscribe, like the video, and comment below. Looking forward to talking to you soon.